Cooking is not rocket science. So let us make this traditional vegetable that is known as sagaa or Akeyo or spider plant. So cook with me. So I started by washing the vegetables thoroughly because they always contain bits of soil. So I wanted there not to be any soil left after washing. And yeah, the vegetable is mostly cooked by first boiling and boiling well for a few hours, say 4, but you can boil it for longer. And it's rich in iron and calcium. Because of the extreme boiling, we do not expect there to be any vitamins, but it cannot be cooked otherwise. Because undercooking it will mean that it will be too bitter for you to eat. So we have to really, really boil it. So I had missed this particular vegetable and I thought about making a video as I cook it because most of the people may not know how it is cooked. So this is how we do it. And the vegetable goes so well with your ugali or pap. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.